Now that you understand some of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money using AI tools, let's talk about how people across the United States are scaling these methods beyond 100 per day. Because here's the truth most videos don't tell you. Making your first $100 per day is the hardest step. Once you reach that level, increasing your income often becomes easier because you already understand the systems, client expectations, and workflow automation. One of the fastest ways to scale your AI income is by turning single services into packages. Instead of offering only one service, successful freelancers bundle multiple services together to increase their value. For example, imagine a small real estate business in Florida hiring someone to manage their online presence. Instead of just selling social media captions, you can offer a complete marketing package that includes content writing, graphic design, short promotional videos, and automated posting schedules. Businesses prefer hiring one reliable person instead of multiple freelancers, which means they are often willing to pay higher monthly retainers. Many AI freelancers in the US are now earning between $500 and $2,000 per month from a single client by offering bundled digital marketing services powered by AI tools. Just landing one or two clients at that level can push your daily average well above 100. The key is positioning yourself as a solution provider rather than just someone selling tasks. Another powerful scaling method involves specializing in a profitable niche. Beginners often try to offer services to everyone, but top freelancers focus on specific industries where demand is high and competition is lower. Some of the most profitable niches in the United States right now include real estate marketing, e-commerce product content, healthcare marketing, local service businesses like roofing and plumbing, and online coaching or course creators. When you focus on one niche, you learn their specific pain points, industry language, and marketing needs, which allows you to charge premium prices. Let's talk about AI-powered e-commerce services, which is another massive income opportunity. Online stores constantly need product descriptions, advertisement copy, customer support responses, and marketing campaigns. AI tools can generate high-converting product descriptions optimized for SEO and sales psychology. Many Shopify store owners hire freelancers to create hundreds of product listings. Charging $10 to $25 per product description might not sound like much, but completing just 5 or 10 listings per day can easily reach or exceed the $100 daily income goal. Another rapidly growing service is AI chatbot setup. Businesses across the United States are adding chatbots to their websites to handle customer inquiries, appointment scheduling, and product recommendations. Tools like Chatbase, ManyChat, and BotPress allow beginners to create intelligent chatbots without coding knowledge. Businesses are willing to pay for chatbot setup because it improves customer response time and increases sales conversions. Freelancers often charge between $150 and $500 for chatbot installations, making this one of the highest-paying beginner-friendly AI services. Now let's shift into a method that combines freelancing with passive income potential, and that is AI course and digital product creation. Thousands of creators are using AI tools to develop ebooks, online courses, social media templates, and business toolkits. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly. AI writing tools help generate course outlines, lesson scripts, and educational content, while design tools help create visually attractive presentations and worksheets. Many beginners start by creating small digital products priced between $10 and $50. Selling just a few products daily can help reach the $100 income target. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Teachable make it easy to sell digital products globally, including to US audiences. Let's talk about AI YouTube automation, which has exploded in popularity. Many creators are building YouTube channels without showing their faces by using AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnail designs. Channels focused on finance, technology, motivation, and storytelling are generating revenue through ad monetization, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. While YouTube automation usually takes time to grow, it can eventually become one of the most scalable AI income sources. Here's a simplified workflow many successful creators follow. They use AI tools to research trending video topics, generate engaging scripts, create voiceovers using AI narration tools, and edit videos using automated video creation software. Once a channel gains traction and reaches monetization requirements, it can generate recurring ad revenue every month. Some creators manage multiple channels simultaneously, multiplying their income streams. Another extremely powerful strategy for AI income is affiliate marketing combined with AI content creation. Affiliate marketing means promoting products or services and earning commissions from sales generated through your referral links. AI tools help create blog posts, product reviews, comparison articles, and video scripts that attract online traffic. Many affiliates promote AI tools themselves because these companies often offer recurring commissions. This means every time someone signs up through your link, you can earn monthly passive income. Now let's discuss time management. Because reaching consistent daily income requires efficient workflows. Many successful AI freelancers follow a system called batching. Instead of switching between tasks constantly, they complete similar tasks together. For example, writing multiple social media posts in one session, designing graphics in another session, and editing videos in a separate session. This increases productivity and reduces mental fatigue. Another critical factor for scaling income is building long-term client relationships. Many beginners focus only on getting new clients, but repeat clients are often the easiest and most profitable income source. Businesses prefer working with freelancers who understand their brand, audience, and communication style. Providing excellent customer service, meeting deadlines, and maintaining consistent quality increases the chances of long-term contracts and monthly retainers. Let's also talk about the importance of building a personal brand as an AI service provider. Many freelancers who showcase their work on LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube attract inbound clients instead of constantly searching for projects. Posting behind-the-scenes content, sharing AI tool tutorials, and showing real client results builds credibility and trust. Many U.S. businesses prefer hiring freelancers who demonstrate expertise publicly. Now here's something that dramatically increases freelancer success rates. Learning basic marketing psychology. Understanding how customers think, what attracts attention, and what drives purchasing decisions helps create more effective content and services. AI tools can generate content, but understanding emotional triggers and persuasive messaging helps you deliver results that businesses truly value. Another advanced but highly profitable method is AI data analysis services. Businesses collect massive amounts of data, but often struggle to understand it. AI analytics tools can help interpret customer behavior, sales trends, and marketing performance. Freelancers who learn how to present data insights using AI-powered dashboards can charge premium consulting fees. Even basic data reporting services can generate significant income because businesses rely heavily on data-driven decision-making. Let's talk about something many beginners worry about: competition. The truth is, competition exists in every industry, but AI tools actually help beginners compete with experienced professionals by increasing productivity and skill capability. The biggest advantage beginners have is adaptability. People who continuously learn new AI tools and stay updated with trends often outperform traditional freelancers who resist change. Another essential scaling strategy is outsourcing. Once freelancers reach consistent income, they often hire assistants or collaborate with other freelancers to handle workload increases. This allows them to accept more clients while maintaining service quality. Many freelancers transition from solo work into small digital agencies powered by AI workflows. Now let's address one major mindset shift required for long-term success. AI income is not about replacing work. It's about upgrading how work is done. People who focus only on quick money usually struggle, but those who focus on learning valuable skills and delivering real business results build sustainable income streams. Here's another underrated strategy: offering subscription-based services. Instead of charging per project, many freelancers charge monthly service fees. For example, managing social media content, email marketing campaigns, or website content updates for a fixed monthly payment. Subscription models create predictable and stable income, which helps freelancers achieve financial consistency. Another advanced opportunity is AI voiceover services. AI voice generation tools allow freelancers to create professional narrations for videos, advertisements, podcasts, and e-learning content. Businesses, especially marketing agencies and course creators, constantly need voiceover content. Freelancers offering AI voiceover services often charge between $30 and $100 per project, making this another strong path toward daily income goals. Now let's discuss productivity tools that successful AI freelancers use daily. Task management platforms like Trello, Notion, and ClickUp help organize projects, deadlines, and client communication. Combining productivity tools with AI automation reduces stress and increases efficiency, allowing freelancers to manage multiple clients simultaneously. Here's a powerful success pattern observed among high-earning AI freelancers in the United States. They focus on 3 core areas: skill development, client acquisition, and workflow optimization. Neglecting any one of these areas often limits income growth. Constantly improving service quality, while expanding marketing reach and improving efficiency, creates sustainable long-term success. Before moving to the next part, here's an important reminder. Many people watch videos like this and feel motivated, but never take action. The difference between successful freelancers and those who struggle is consistent implementation. Even dedicating 1 or 2 hours daily to learning AI tools, building portfolios, and reaching out to potential clients can produce life-changing results within months.